Submit to God. Resist the evil one. Submit to God. Resist the devil, and he will flee. Cast your cares upon Jesus, for he cares for you. As we humble ourselves before him, he lifts us up. Praise the Lord. He leads us beside still waters. He restores my soul. And leads in the path of righteousness. His goodness and mercy follow me all the days of my life. I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever.